Good morning, children. Today we are going to listen to a story of a captain of a ship. What should be the name of the captain of the ship? Should we name him Henry? Okay. So let us write the name of the captain of the ship. Henry. Wow. Isn't that a nice name? Yes. So one day this captain of the ship told all the passengers, let's sit in this ship and let us sail. So all the passengers sat into the ship one by one and then they started sailing. Wow. And you know what was their favorite song? Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Yes, the same song that you recite every day during your classes. Okay, so nice cool wind was there. They were all enjoying on the ship. And suddenly, what happened? You know what happened? There was a monster who came close to the ship. It was a sea monster. And Henry, the captain of the ship, saw the sea monster. So he started going back. Sea monster started coming close to the ship. Wow, 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 wow. He started going back. Everybody on the ship was very scared now. And you know, in no time, what happened? The sea monster, oh my God, what did he do? He bit the front of the ship, the bow of the ship. Oh my God. The Henry, the captain of the ship, was very sad. Even all the passengers were feeling very sad. What to do now? Henry was a clever chap. He said, don't worry. What we'll do is, we will make this as a front of the ship. And we otherwise also have the sail. So don't worry. Everybody was very happy. And again, they started sailing. And they started singing the same song. Which one? Yes, the same one. Row, row, row your boat gently down. And what happened? In few minutes, they could see what? Yes, they could see a storm coming close to them. My God, they were all very scared now. They say that we could really escape from the sea monster, but what to do with this storm? Henry was really upset now. He thought of it and he started sailing so fast. But no, in no time that storm hit the ship. And what happened? Oh my God. They lost the back of the boat as well. That's so sad. And then ship went down and up and front and back. And in that all hustle bustle, what happened? They also lost the sail. My God. Fortunately, everybody was wearing, what do they wear? Yes, safety jackets. Henry was also wearing safety jacket. But they all jumped into the sea and they all started swimming. And you know what was there? There was an island close to the sea, right? And they all landed on the island safely. But you know who was not found? Everybody was looking for Henry. And you know, people were wondering, where is Henry? And you know what did they find? They find Henry on the top of the coconut tree wearing his favorite blue t-shirt. Yes. Did you like the story, children? Okay, if you have liked it, do share with your friends and family. And you also can make a boat which can turn into Henry's t-shirt. Yes? Bye-bye.